Hi, it's Mike, and today I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Rhodes, New South Wales to go behind the scenes on an urgent RAID recovery case. I'm meeting with owner Payam Tolu, who's working on a critical VMware server for Jason from a managed IT services company in Sydney. Their Dell server running VMware ESXi failed with an error. Their IT support company tried to help but couldn't recover the missing snapshot or locate the data store. Jason needed several critical business folders recovered from the virtual server urgently. Payam received 8 Dell ST300MM0008 SAS 300GB hard drives. He explained that SAS drives needed specialised hardware. Unlike SATA drives which have a gap in the connector, SAS drives have no gap. He used his Atola Insight with the optional SAS add-on unit. All 8 drives detected perfectly. Smart status looked good. Media scans showed all sectors readable. But when he tried to clone the first drive, it was a complete failure. Every sector became unreadable. He tried again with the same result. The drive sounded healthy, but wouldn't clone. Payam switched to his PC-3000 SAS, a very expensive, rarely used version of their PC-3000 tools designed specifically for SAS and SCSI drives. Success! Each drive cloned perfectly in about 45 minutes to image files on a 4TB hard drive. Why did it work here and not on the Atola? Payam wasn't sure, but explained that's why they have different tools and methods. Now for the next challenge, he opened all 8 image files in UFS Explorer data recovery software. Normally RAID software won't auto-detect image files, but UFS Explorer automatically rebuilt the RAID storage volume. The second volume showed a healthy VMFS file system, VMware's file system format. He opened it and found large VMDK virtual machine files. He mounted one, confirmed the data wasn't corrupted, and started saving everything to an external hard drive. This case demonstrates why most IT companies and smaller data recovery companies would struggle here. Reading SAS drives without the RAID controller or server, cloning them without specialised hardware like PC-3000 SAS, rebuilding the RAID configuration with tools like UFS Explorer, then accessing a VMFS VMware file system on a Windows PC that doesn't natively support it, each step was an obstacle requiring specialised knowledge and equipment. The entire recovery took 12 hours from start to finish. If you're a managed IT services company dealing with Dell server failures, VMware ESXi issues, or SAS drive RAID problems, Payam Data Recovery has the expertise and tools others simply don't.